I love it when I can combine two of my favorite things, gardening and upcycling. So I found this old telephone index at the thrift store for $2. So these are super fun. I had one of these growing up in the 90s, and you'd be able to push this little button to wherever you want, open it up, and you would be able to see somebody's phone number or address. I thought it would be fun to be able to do the same thing, but write in the description of the seeds I'm starting for this year and add some little details about them as well. Before we get started on this, let me show you my seeds over here. So these are the seed starter kits from Greenstalk Garden, and they are an absolutely game changer when it comes to gardening. Let me show you what this one looks like. What I really like most about these is this is a complete set. So each of these, they're included with 6 of them in each one. And you can kind of see here, have nice little ventilation holes and also a hole in the middle for you to be able to push your finger up to take the seedling out when it's ready to be planted. Beyond just that, they also come with these seed domes, which are amazing to be able to start some germination and get your seeds going. They clip in right on the edges here, and you can take them off once your things get germinated. There's nothing in this one right now because I was trying to germinate some milkweed seeds and I'm having trouble doing that. I'm not sure why, but I kept that on there. Another thing about these is they're actually separated from the base. So there's a handle right here that you can lift up and you can bottom water. Lift the tray and fill the water at the bottom. It's as simple as that. It makes watering and your life so easy, especially when you have quite a few of them like I do. So I fill it up quite a bit, maybe about halfway, and I'll let it sit there for about an hour or so, soak up the water that it needs, and then I'll empty that water into another tray to be able to utilize all of the water. And what I really like about Greenstalk products is they're very innovative in the garden space. When you see a Greenstalk product, you know exactly that it was made by Greenstalk. They put a lot of thought and detail into every single one of their products. You see these types of ones out on the market, which they do work, but I hate that you have to spend extra money for all the little add-ons. You know, you need to add the tray, the dome, the this, the that. But this comes with everything that you need right then and there. And with all of Greenstalk's products, they are very quality made. Everything is made in the US, and they're actually designed in their office in Knoxville, Tennessee. So they're not just trying to rip off a product that looks like this for everybody else. They're trying to be unique in the garden space and make their own products that actually work for all types of gardeners. And their products are made for everybody in mind, from the beginner to the expert. And I am an affiliate with this brand because I absolutely love their products and the people behind it. I was a customer for many years before I became an affiliate, so I really stand by this product. Since I am an affiliate, I will provide my link in the description code and my discount code up here on the screen. If you do choose to use my discount code, I thank you in advance. I do earn a small commission, well, at no extra cost to you, and that helps fund doing projects and videos like this to share with you all. So when I thrifted this, there was a few names in here. I've already whited out the address and the name of this person just for safety. But so all we're going to do is just take some basic whiteout, and we're going to cover the name in it. And I actually saw, looking online, but they actually make replacements of these little things as well. So that's actually pretty cool to know. There was quite a few names and addresses in here, so I did have to white out quite a few. And then for each of my seed starting kits, this comes with the Greenstalk, and you basically just write which flower you put in each cell. So I'm going to reference this, and I'm basically just going to make 2 sections. I'm going to put the seed and then to start in, or maybe some tips along the way that I've learned. So right now I've written the pansy one. This is the first year that I started pansies by seed. So my zone 9, we'll start them in December, and they were very slow to grow as well. So I might add some little details about that as well. And then to completely finish it up, I've already decorated the front of it here, as you can see. It's super cute. I just used some basic little metallic paint pens. That one, and a big white one by this brand as well. So yeah, just kind of fun. Get creative with it. These stickers are actually from Greenstock as well. So yeah, overall, this is a really cool and fun project. These, all you have to do is push the button to wherever you want to go, push it opened, and then it tells us what seeds, when to start them, and maybe a little tip that we add in there along the way. So yeah, this was a really fun project. I hope you enjoyed learning about my Greenstock seed starter kits and some fun upcycling along the way. Until next time, happy upcycling and happy gardening.